The Supreme Court en banc on Thursday says Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno's indefinite leave was a consensus of all the justices present during the session last Tuesday. A joint statement signed by all 13 justices, except Sereno and Associate Justice Benjamin Kagiwa, who was on leave, says it was Sereno herself who said she was taking an indefinite leave. The SC en banc also says Sereno did not request the rescheduling of her wellness leave. This after Sereno's spokesperson said it was the Chief Justice's personal decision to avail of her wellness leave earlier than scheduled. The 13 justices say they regret the confusion that the announcements and media releases of the spokespersons of the Chief Justice has caused, which seriously damaged the integrity of the judiciary in general and the Supreme Court in particular. They add, quote, "In the ordinary course of events, the court expected the Chief Justice to cause the announcement of only what was really agreed upon without any modification or embellishment. This matter shall be dealt with in a separate proceeding." Sereno, in response, apologizes for the confusion. She says, quote, "It is unfortunate that my plan of making use of an already approved wellness leave in relation to an indefinite leave was inaccurately conveyed, for which I apologize." Sereno adds, quote, "I had agreed to go on an indefinite leave, but I am also bound by the appropriate administrative rules."